One of the best Nespresso machines can help you achieve that perfect balance of flavor and convenience. When it comes to coffee machines, capsule designs are more known for speed and simplicity rather than quality of coffee. But that is where Nespresso stands apart. It remains easy to use, often with single-button operation, but manages to produce a full-bodied espresso, complete with crema, and all from a capsule. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best Nespresso machines in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Nespresso Vertuo by Breville. This Nespresso machine, the original of the brand's Vertuo line, brews both coffee and espresso, making it a great pick for people who enjoy both types of drinks. It's completely automated. The machine scans the barcode on whichever Nespresso pod you put in, and brews your drink accordingly. The Vertuo can brew 1 or 2 cups of coffee or espresso at a time, so it's a nice option for couples or people who live alone. The adjustable tray means you can brew your drink directly into a cup or travel mug, and the machine will turn off after 9 minutes of inactivity to help save energy. Number 2. Nespresso Essenza Mini. This small Nespresso machine is super compact, weighing in at just over 5 pounds. There are 2 programmable cup sizes, the smaller Espresso, 1.35 ounce, and the larger Lungo, 3.7 ounce. Because of the machine's compact size, it's not compatible with large mugs or travel cups unless you remove the drip tray. The Essenza Mini has a removable 20.3-ounce water tank and an energy-saving mode, including an automatic shut-off after 9 minutes of inactivity. The small size makes it a good option for people who want a low-profile machine that won't take up too much counter space, but those with larger households might find that it's not big enough to suit multiple people. You can also purchase the version made by DeLonghi, which will appeal to design-forward folks with a modern aesthetic. Number 3. Nespresso Creatista Pro by Breville. The Creatista Pro, which was designed with Breville, is designed to make barista-quality coffee drinks using Nespresso pods. It has an LCD touchscreen with 8 preset drink options, a ristretto, a short shot of more concentrated espresso, lungo, flat white, cappuccino, cafe latte, and latte macchiato. You can also make custom drinks, adjusting coffee volume, milk froth volume, and milk temperature. Custom settings can be saved as new drinks on the drinks menu. This is definitely a larger Nespresso machine, weighing in at 14.7 pounds. It has an integrated milk frother, and comes with a stainless steel barista jug. Just note that this machine does require some maintenance, and the steam wand should be cleaned daily. Instructions are available from the machine's touchscreen menu. Number 4. Nespresso Pixie. The Nespresso Pixie has a small footprint, making it an ideal choice for smaller kitchens or office use. It makes 2 different sizes of espresso drinks, Espresso, 1.35 ounces, and Lungo, 3.7 ounces. It's also fast, serving up drinks in just 25 seconds. This single-serve machine is a nice pick for people who live alone, or who typically only want 1 serving of espresso at a time. It's not an ideal selection for people who want to make coffee for a crowd, or who want to make a wider selection of coffee drinks using their Nespresso machine. Also, it's not available in any colors. You can also purchase the version made by Breville, which can be bundled with a milk frother for an extra barista touch. Number 5. Nespresso Latissima Pro by DeLonghi. This fully automated machine brews espresso and heats and froths your milk of choice, creating cafe-worthy drinks with the press of a button. The touchscreen menu is pre-programmed with a variety of drink options: ristretto, espresso, lungo, hot water, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and warm milk. You can also make custom drinks and save those options to your menu. The removable milk container is dishwasher safe, making it easy to keep your machine clean between uses. The machine is a larger model that weighs over 12 pounds, but the stainless steel design with black details makes a good kitchen counter conversation piece. That was our list of the top 5 best Nespresso machines in 2023 just for you.